So today's farm day, so we have all the first graders from all the elementary schools here, and we're teaching them about like different animals. We have a dairy cow, we have a meat cow, we have sheep, goats, pigs, and then we also have like a welding station, and we have a plant station.
Information about like animals and how we use the animals to eat and how they serve for us.
My favorite part is just being around the kids and seeing like how excited they get about all the stations and just like watching them have so much fun.
I like seeing all their faces and like how happy they are to learn different things and be able to take projects and stuff home that they've made.
You guys are good welders. You like welding?
So at our station, we were teaching kids all about welding, and we told them that it's taking 2 pieces of metal and using electricity to heat them up enough to melt them into one piece. And then they got to use graham crackers and frosting to create 1 piece of metal. They got to weld with the frosting down the crack of the 2 pieces of metal to make one.
I feel like just showing them like how it works with just like graham crackers and frosting and being able to use that as like an example of how welding actually works.
I'd like them to know that there's more to FFA than just animals and showing. Like welding, people go into careers with welding, and then also dirt buddies, like just learning about the environment and all the things that go into agriculture.
I'd say the same as AJ, like it's just like an overall good experience to learn about like all the ins and outs of agriculture. And
It's really fun.
Yeah, it's also really fun.
Well, milk is the safest food to drink because it is not touched by human hands.
That's a pretty big egg. That's a pretty big egg. You guys want to see it? Yeah. Okay. So, all right, let's see. And no, it doesn't look like there's a chick.
So she lost her cashmere hair. Your butt is intact. So what?
FFA has really helped me step out of my comfort zone and learn a ton of new stuff about every aspect of agriculture, and I have loved it.
I have loved FFA because it has made me realize on how the community has helped us and served us to make us be who we are.